at the core, all the living creatures on our planet are made of tiny units. They're called cells, like the ones you see here. Each of these cells is alive. It's eating, moving, communicating, and working tirelessly to create the tissues, organs, and all the other systems so vital for us. Individually, they are small, but together they create something far greater than themselves. It's us, humans, and all the other living creatures. And what if you could take a glance at their secret life, a hidden world inside you, where even death, as you see here, can be a mesmerizingly beautiful and precisely orchestrated event. Okay, this is Axia Observer 5 microscope. We're currently growing our cells. They are in that plate, reddish one. And obviously cells need some environment for them, and this is provided from into this chamber with this model. For example, it's a temperature model that provides heat. Also, additionally, we have the humidity model. It has water, and also all the other gases from those valves, whatever we need, depending on what our cells might be requiring for their culturing. Today, we are taking an exclusive look at human neuroglial cells, specialized brain cells that play a crucial role in supporting and protecting neurons. Let's start with a high-magnification. These cells were placed into the plate just recently, and they are now settling into their new environment. And they are not just passively sitting there, they are adapting, sensing, and actively analyzing their new surroundings. They extend and retract fine thread-like structures called filopodia, delicate extensions that help them probe their surroundings. Cells use these movements to gather critical information, determining where to anchor, how to move, and assessing their environment for nutrients or other signals. Some filopodia stretch far, like explorers charting unknown territory, while others pull back, almost as if the cell is reconsidering its choices. Now, as the cells become more and more comfortable in their new environment, you should notice how they started dividing more rapidly, spreading and occupying new areas of the plate. I will increase the speed of the video so you can enjoy everything. Okay, let's zoom in a little. Here, at an astonishing 1000x magnification, yes, 10 times bigger, where we dive deep into the intricate life of a single human cell. You can see the nucleus, the command center of the cell, surrounded by a dynamic network of extensions and countless vesicles moving tirelessly within. These vesicles, like tiny floating bubbles, are in constant motion. They act as delivery trucks transporting vital cargo, nutrients, molecular signals, and waste. This seamless activity is what keeps every part of the cell functioning. What's remarkable is how precisely they move. Inside the cell, molecular motors, tiny protein machines, pull these vesicles along protein highways, ensuring they reach their destination on time. It's a microscopic logistics system that never stops. If you look closely, you can see areas where new vesicles are forming. The cell membrane actively captures molecules from its surroundings, such as amino acids and sugars, and packages them into vesicles. These bubbles then carry their precious cargo deeper into the cell. So the cells are in the nutrient medium. It's a liquid. I prepared for them, adding various nutrients, amino acids, and so on. And they are surrounded by that, and they uptake all these nutrients from the surrounding environment, forming these vesicles. as you can see. Down here, the cell is up to something very suspicious. Hoarding vesicles like it's saving up for something. For what can even cell saving up to? Maybe it just wants to do some deluxe mitochondria upgrade. Or maybe it owes money to the endoplasmatic reticulum mafia, whoever that can be. Anyway, and now I want you to pay attention up here at this cell. You will notice how it prepares for division. Watch as it rounds up, shifting from its usual shape to get ready for the big event. This rounding helps the cell organize its internal machinery and ensures that cytoplasm is evenly distributed between the two new cells. Gathering strength, it stretches before finally splitting into two identical daughter cells, each ready to take on its role. The process, known as mitosis, is the foundation of life. Every tissue and organ in your body was built by countless cells going through this very sequence. It's a reminder of how even the tiniest parts of us work tirelessly to create, sustain, and renew. Watching a single cell divide is like seeing a ripple in the vast ocean of life. It's small, but it carries within it the power to shape everything we are. Not all the cells are meant to survive forever. Apoptosis, or programmed cell death, is a natural and essential process for maintaining health. Here, you can see a cell breaking apart in a controlled manner, its components recycled to nourish and support neighboring cells. What we have seen here are just glimpses of the immense complexity within each human cell. Every movement, every process is part of a larger story, one that creates and sustains life as we know it. This is the magic of the smallest units of humanity. So if you like this video, please subscribe for the upcoming content, and see you maybe next month.